Mercer victorious 8-1 over the Citadel Bulldogs as we're joined by Craig Gibson, the Mercer head coach. And Coach, looking at this win, looking at this result, DJ Johnson, not much you can say about a guy who went out there and was really, really strong for you.
You know, we've seen it from him for a couple games this year. He was great against Georgia Tech. He was great against Georgia State, but he had to be really great today because we faced the pitcher of the year, and he was special today.
Hey, Coach, Tom Van Hoy here. You talked about the starting pitcher for the Citadel, but you guys were able to get to him in the 15. How were you able to do that?
I'll tell you what, we grinded out a couple of at-bats. We get a couple of C&I singles, and then Kyle hits a big ball in the corner. But, man, the guy gets – we didn't get a hit for about 14, 15 innings off of him, so he's that good, and we were just able to get to him.
Well, you turned to double play, but I want to go back to that catch that Devin Bonham made in the third inning. And I think we talked on the air about what a critical play that was. Had back-to-back singles, the sacrifice, then got the strikeout, and then a great play to keep him off the board.
Yeah, well, it really was. He's been a great player. I recruited him. I told him anywhere. I think he's the best second baseman in the league. He's a fighter. He's a grinder. He's a winner, and he came up big when we needed him on the biggest stage of all.
Coach, obviously you don't know who you're going to play yet, Samford or Wofford. If you could just maybe comment a little bit on each and whoever it may be for you, what both the Bulldogs and the Terriers do well.
Well, they win. Both of them are winners. I mean, Todd's had a great season. Samford's had a great year. They're very offensive. Todd puts pressure on you where Samford doesn't on the bases, but Samford can hit the ball out of the ballpark on you. But it's going to be a great game no matter who we play, and it's going to be fun to see who advances.
Coach, we appreciate the time. Congratulations on getting this far.
Thank you, guys.